everyone, my name is Natasya from grade 11 Science of St. Nicholas School, and today I want to make an experiment of making virgin coconut oil for my chemistry class. Well, maybe there are some questions that you still had on your mind about virgin coconut oil, and I'm gonna have to give you a simple introductions to virgin coconut oil. So for the introduction of the virgin coconut oil is that I'm gonna tell you what is a virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is an oil that was extracted from a coconut. That's basically the simplest way. But why is it called virgin? It is called virgin because it only goes through one process or one press of the coconut. That's the simplest thing, okay? The next question is that why do we need to make our own virgin coconut oil? Why don't we just bought it on the market? Well, the main reason of that is that you could save your money. You could save a lot of money if you make your own virgin coconut oil. The prices out there in the market, it could go up to 500,000 rupiah for just a little amount of virgin coconut oil, while you can make it with only 13,000 rupiah. You can make the same amount of that 500,000 rupiah of virgin coconut oil. So you can save a lot of money, and also it is a better version. What the means of the better version is that out there in the market, sometimes they give other components, like other chemical substances that might be dangerous for your health, for your skin, and anything, okay? So if you make your own, the components of the virgin coconut oil, you will know it. And it will be so pure that the virgin coconut oil will help for your health and other benefits. The next thing is that what is the benefits? Why do we need to have virgin coconut oil for our lifestyles or for ourselves? Virgin coconut oil have a lot of benefits, but I can't tell you that much. This is some of the benefits that I can tell you, and it's gonna make all the girls very happy. Mostly girls, boys can too, but mostly girls can be very happy listening to this. Virgin coconut oil is very, very helpful for your weight loss. So for all of you who wants to get on diet, who wants to lose weight, you guys could change your oil to virgin coconut oil because they contain a lot of saturated fats or good fats that could burn your fats in your body. And then the second thing, it could strengthen your bones, also your hair, and also it could brighten up your skin and your teeth, and also it could smoothen your skin. So it is basically used in many skincares and also many other beauty products that mostly girls uses. So these are some of the benefits that I can tell you for virgin coconut oil. So now I'm going to tell you how the process of making a virgin coconut oil and what are the things that you will need for the virgin coconut oil. So let's just go through the process. First process, what you need is the warm water, the coconut, the grated coconut, and then the container. I will use the biggest container because what you need is basically just put the grated coconut inside the container. All of it, really use all of it inside the container. So you just need to put the water slowly, the warm water slowly to the coconut. You will not cover it with water. You just want to take out all of the coconut milk from the grated coconut. So just compress it, and I will pour the water slowly. I will not just pour like 1,000 milliliter inside, but just slowly until you got the estimation of the coconut milk that will come out from the grated coconut. So after I put some of the water, I just put around 500 milliliter. This consistency of the coconut that I get. It's not that dry. I don't want it to be so dry, and I also doesn't want it to be very, very wet. And here, when I squeeze it, there's some coconut milk that was given out by the grated coconut. And what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to strain this on the strainer and put it on another container. You could also use some cloth. If you have a cloth, it's going to be much more faster, or you're just going to use the strainer for strain the coconut so that all of the coconut milk will be separated from the grated coconut, and you will have all your coconut milk, and you can do for the next. So this is the coconut milk that I get from this grated coconut. For the first step, I used the 500 milliliter first, then I strained it, and then I thought, how about I'm gonna put another 500 milliliters? So I tried it again, and I put another 500 milliliter of water in the grated coconut, and I strained it again, and this is how much that I get, and it's a lot of coconut milk. And right now, I'm just gonna put this on the plastic bag. So now I'm gonna pour this coconut milk inside this plastic, just slowly and steady. So this is the coconut milk that I have already put it on the plastic, and I have already tied it. And surprisingly, that I get 2 of this coconut milk. I get 2 packs of it. Both of them one of them is 500, and this is also another 500. So I get 1 liter of the coconut milk, and we are ready for the next process. So after you have tied the coconut milk in the plastic, now you're gonna tie both of the plastic in the rope that I told you to have. This is what it's for, and I put it on the side of the refrigerator because it has higher temperature or warmer temperature than the room temperature. You can put it anywhere exactly that has much more higher temperature than the surroundings. So I put it here so that the process of it will be much more faster, and it takes around 3 hours. I think 3 hours is enough, and right now it is, as you can see there, it is 2:33, I think. Yeah, 2:32 or 33. Then we're gonna meet again for 3 hours. That means it will be 5:33. So the next process will be coming soon at 3 hours. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut the edge so that the water will comes out to this container, and then there will be only coconut milk left. So just going to cut this. So this is the coconut milk that I get. This is how much that I get, and then I have put it on the new plastic and I have tied it up. And make sure you tie it with enough air so that it can be divided in the next step. It can separate nicely. And what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to put it on a container. I'm not going to close it so that there will be enough air for the coconut milk. And I'm going to put it on a cabinet. I'm gonna put it on a cabinet and just rest it there for 24 hours or a day, and we're gonna go back with it on the next day. So it has been 24 hours, and the result of my coconut milk is they've been separated into 3 layers, if you can see it clearly. Right on the lowest part is the water, and then in the middle one is the waste, and then the highest one is the oil, if you can see that. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to separate the oil from both of the 2 other layers. And yeah, so I'm using this plastic straw by plug it on the oil level right in the middle of the 3rd and the 2nd level. Plug it in. And gonna come up slowly. So this is how much oil that I get from just now, the coconut milk, and it's still not that clear. It's not the pure virgin coconut oil. I still need to do filtration so that the waste of some waste of the coconut can be removed from the virgin coconut oil. What you will need is that you're gonna need a small container. Any container might do for your virgin coconut oil. And then a funnel, just put it up here. Then you will need to put a cotton, but only 1 layers of cotton, so there's so it's not very compact. And then a tissue, and then just 1 layer of tissue because tissue has 2 layers of it, so just take 1 layer of it. So cotton first, then you're gonna put the tissue up here. Now what you're going to do next is that you're going to pour the coconut oil slowly, not very, don't do it fastly, just like step by step. And like wait until it was running down. So this is how much virgin oil that I get, and it was 55 gram. And yeah, it's already pure virgin coconut oil, and you can use this for whatever that you want. So here we are in the end of the journey. It's a long journey. I took like around 2 days because I did fail on the first time, and that's okay. It is natural for you to fail for a first try. If it works, then good for you, but sometimes you might fail too. I did fail and I need to redo it 2 times. So never give up. It's like life. Never give up on, things. Just go with it and you will get a good result in the end, and it's gonna be very worth it. Look how much did I get of this virgin coconut oil. That's a lot of it. This is 55 grams. And I could sell this for 50,000 or 60,000 in the market, and you will get, money. A good deal. It's a very good deal. And yeah, you can make this for your business or for yourself. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with virgin coconut oil. And I'm gonna have an extra footage on the failure that I get on the first experiments and the explanation why is it failing on the first try. Yeah, and I hope this video is gonna be very helpful for you guys that want to make virgin coconut oil for yourself or for others, and hopefully this will give you extra information about virgin coconut oil. And yeah, I really hope you guys try this out, try this method, and you could see yourself on trying this and like how this product gonna result in. So thank you so much for watching this video. So this is my fail experiment. These are some tips and tricks that you could do so that you don't fail like my first try. First, use a very old coconut, or not, it will never work. Second, when you buy your coconut, make sure you do it right away, or not it will become rotten, and it will make a result like mine. It will be yellow and thick, and there will be no divisions of the oil at the end of the process. So now I'm gonna tell you what's the process that happens in VCO making. First, there's filtration. As I said in the video, at the last moment when I do separating of the waste substance of the coconut and the oil, it is called a process of filtrations. So the filtrate, or the liquid that can pass through, or the oil, will go through the cotton, while the residue will stay on top. Next is the process of separation or purifications. We usually use the word separation as a simple one. It separates the contaminants such as the coconut milk from the water, and also the water from the oil, and also some of the waste from the coconut. And we need to take time for it to purify by itself, around 24 hours and also 3 hours, so that it will separate evenly. During the separation process, the dancer will go to the bottom and the list dance will go to the top.